don't let go. Chasing a dream. What you do, ooh, ooh.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video with the rusty blades. Today we're going to be having a look at the Stylecraft Pro Precision Saber Trimmer. We're going to open it up, we'll go flick to a top-down view, I'll unbox it so you can see exactly what's inside. I will go through the back of the box as well, and I'll go through some of the specifics on there. Like usual, I'll do a decibel test and I'll also weigh it as well. And I'll compare it side by side with the original gold saber trimmer. So let's stop messing about and get straight into the unboxing.
Now let's have a look in the box. This is the bottom of the box, so it's just going to tell you a little bit about it. Adjustable zero gappable blade, brushless motor, 7,500 RPM, etc. Now we're just going to open it up. So you've got your charging dock in there, so you can either charge it by micro USB or your charging dock. This is the saber trimmer. It's a lovely trimmer, really nice blade on here. You get your power lead, your customary screwdriver, your bag of knickknacks and your warranty card. So you don't get a lot in this box, but you don't really need a lot. It's all about the trimmer. So let's pop all this back away. I'd like to give a massive shout out to William Spot Bowman Barber Supply. If you're in the lookout for competitive prices on clippers, trimmers, barber capes, or you name it, use code RUSTY10 at the checkout. That'll save you 10%, and you can even use that code on discounted items. So don't miss out, go check it out today, and I'll leave a link down below. So now let's have a look at the saber in action. I've got Adam in the chair. It isn't going to be the full cut. I'm just literally showing you that it mows down hair even with the precision blade. I also popped down to the shop where I used to work as well, and I let Jude and Elliot both have a go with it, see what they thought. Both positive reviews, to be fair. They both said that it cut really nice. They said that it was a little bit weird because they've never used a precision blade. It's always just been the T-outliner. But both customers said that it was really smooth, there was no pulling or snagging, which I can vouch for. I asked Adam the self-same question and he said the same. No pulling, snagging, just really smooth.
Right, so now we're going to actually have a look at the trimmer itself. This is the Saber Precision Trimmer. As you can see on the front, it does say Saber and it has got the Precision logo on there. It's got the one cutting blade. I don't know if you'll be able to pick up on there, but that's the one cutting blade. That is personally my favourite cutting blade of any trimmer that I've used. That's the Precision blade. So I will just hold this up and compare it to the original X Pro blade. As you can see, this is so much thinner, so it's perfect for if you're doing children's hair where the forehead is a lot tighter space, so you're not going to cut in using this and catch their eyebrows or anything. It does have, like the original one as well, it has the micro USB, so you can charge it up via micro USB. You can also put it onto the stand, which I've got here. So so you can charge it by stand or micro USB. All around, it's an absolutely amazing trimmer. Like I've said, I have been using the Gold Saber for well over a year now. It's never let me down. It's so smooth, even to this day it's so smooth. I would expect that the Saber Precision is going to be exactly the same. That's a look at the Saber trimmers. Now we're going to have a look and we're going to weigh this Precision trimmer, and I'll also do a decibel check as well. And I'll even do a decibel check on the Saber original one as well, because like I say, I've been using that well over a year now, so it'll be interesting to see what the sound difference is like. So let's crack on and have a look at the sound and the weight. So guys, this has been the Stylecraft Pro Precision Saber Edition. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, get down in comments, let me know. Is this trimmer something that you're going to be buying, or will you just go out and buy a precision blade, and if you've already got the Saber, pop it on there? Whatever you decide, you can use my code Rusty15 at Gamma Plus and at Stylecraft. It helps you out, helps me out, and helps the channel out. I've been Rusty Blades, and I'll catch you in the next one. Will you actually go out and buy, or will you maybe just... Brilliant.